Natural recipes for stronger immune system. Strengthening your immune system and protecting yourself from diseases is crucial, especially when there are factors that increase the possibility of getting illnesses such as cold weather and contaminated atmosphere. There are different types of recipes of foods and drinks you can rely on to assist the defense of your immune system against viruses and germs that find suitable conditions to spread and increase during winter. Nutrition for strengthening immune system. First, fruits and vegetables that are rich with vitamin C, such as lemons, oranges, mandarins. Also, you can find vitamin C in red peppers, strawberries, and papayas. Second, foods that contain zinc, which works to strengthen the immune system and also supports the building of white blood cells. The rich sources of zinc are oysters, crab meat, poultry, yogurt, chickpeas, pumpkin seeds. Third, the nutriment sources that are rich with omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are vital to the body, but they cannot be produced by themselves. They should be fed through nutrition, especially fish, such as salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel. Other sources are rich in. Fourth, herbs and spices. Herbs and spices not only give a special flavor to foods, but also strengthen the immune system and promote digestion. So during the winter, warm the body from the inside by eating turmeric, ginger, and red pepper. Drinks and tips to strengthen immunity in the winter. Hibiscus drink. It strengthens the heart muscle and stomach and prevents atherosclerosis. Antacid. Thirst killer of bacteria and anti-pressure and heat, and useful in cases of asthma and tuberculosis, which is a mild laxative. But do not overdo it because it contains a high percentage of oxalate salts, and to take advantage of it in reducing blood pressure, soak and then cool. Anise drink tea. It expels phlegm, coughs, and asthma. It is useful for the digestive system. It expels gases, colonizes children's colic, strengthens the liver, spleen, kidneys, and ovaries, and does not weaken sexual ability, as it is commonly known. It causes menstrual pain, relieves pain, stimulates glands, headaches, dizziness, and gravel. Mint hot drink tea. It strengthens the stomach, liver, pancreas, and heart. It is an aperitif, expels worms and gases, colonizes pain, menstrual pain, dyspnea, headaches, pharyngeal infections, gums, colic, gallbladder, prevents nausea, heat, and stops vomiting. Lemon juice. It resists rotten food, strengthens the gums and digestion, opens the appetite, and helps the urine, reduces heat, dissolves fat, regulates stress, protects against prostate diseases. Atherosclerosis, headaches, varicose veins, acne, drowsiness, kills bacteria and intestinal parasites. Defeats obesity, anti-freckles, and spots, and eliminates the yellowing of teeth. Carob drink tea. It removes acidity and is useful in dysentery and treats diarrhea, especially in infants, and colic and asthma, and reduces the heat and the expulsion of worms, and useful for diabetics. The fennel drink tea. It expels gases, opens the appetite, strengthens digestion, coughs, asthma, and convulsions, especially for infants. It regulates menstruation and relieves pain. It is considered a general tonic such as anise. Ginger drink tea. It relieves lingering toxins in the body and improves digestion, relieves heat and nausea. A charming drink that has many benefits in the face of obesity, cancer, and others. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe.